Yeah, so let us start. And I will create running notes for today. Did you try data visualization? If you didn't try it, you have to try, sir. Why? Because you should not miss actually. Part 1 and maybe we are entering into part 2 also, we'll see. And the date is 12 and let's move on. Maybe yesterday till bar chart I covered, I guess, right? Bar chart. You're online? Okay. What is your name, sir? Good, good. Good to see you. Yeah. So back to the session. I'm repeating again. The first 2 point we have to install Matplotlib library. 99 members this library will work. Maybe 1 or 2 members you may face issue. That too, the error will be DDL error, DLL, DDL or DLL. Some DDL error or DLL error you will get actually. But that is environmental issue. If anyone is, while installing you will get that error. While DDL, I'm sure that error name is a DDL error issue. While install, first that's what I told. Did you install చేశారా మీరు? Yeah. So if it is being getting installing, you are lucky. Otherwise, let me know. I can help you. So there is a one command you have to run. Then the error will be fixed actually. Yesterday I have explained very clearly. From the data, we need to do the data visualization. We need to visualize the data. This is kind of we are converting from raw data to raw information to graphical representation. One more time, raw information to graphical representation. Good. Make a note on this. We have covered how to create a line chart, and even I have explained how to create a bar chart actually. And the next one will be histogram. Tim, let me tell you, whenever I am creating a line chart, first of all, X and Y, both are numerical data. Both are, yeah, X-axis numerical data, Y-axis numerical. Try to understand the differentiation. Whenever you are working with bar chart, X-axis values are categorical data. I mean to say string data, boss. Madam, what data? String data. Y-axis values are numerical data. Y-axis values are, try to understand that it will be helpful for you. Okay. And for your better understanding, and the next one will be histogram. What is the next one? Histogram. What do you mean by histogram? Histogram exactly looks like a bar chart, but that is not a bar chart. That is not a bar chart. Let me show you what is the main purpose actually. Good. If you want, I will tell you one small point. The point will be, let us take a values. Values equals to 10, 20, the next one 5, again 10, again 10, then again 5, I kind of some 50, 50, 50, 50. Good. Now I have one small question for you. I just wanted to know count of each value. I just wanted to know count of each value. Cheptara? What is the count, sir? 10 ఎన్నిసార్లు వచ్చింది? 10 how many times? 4, seriously? Yeah, 4 times. Very good. The next one, 5 how many times? Okay, 5 how many times? 2 times. Yeah, Daniel, 2 times. And the next one will be 50 how many times? Let us increase one more time actually, or else one more time, or else one more time. Now then total how many times? 6 times. Sometimes I just wanted to visualize the value count actually. The value count. Which value came more number of time? Now once upon a time, so when I was in childhood actually, my friend have hotel. I mean, his parents have hotel, and my friend after his education, After he studies actually, evening 1 hour, 2 hour, he used to spend with the hotel actually, small hotel in village. Then end of the day, after 9:30, he never talk with anyone. Then I thought I asked what is going on after 9:30. After 9:30, what happened, sir? He will take all money. He will take all money. He will just try to separate actually. 5 rupees, how many coins? 10 notes, how many? 50 notes, how many? Then finally he will tell 5 rupees coins, count is this one. 10 rupees notes, count is this one. 50 rupees notes, count is this one. Sometimes I just wanted to know the value count. Talk with me, sir. If you wanted to visualize the value count, then you have to apply histogram. You have to apply histogram actually. A histogram, did you remember? Each value count రావాలి అంటే మనం ఏం అప్లై చేయాలి సార్ లిస్ట్ లో? అయ్యో, my question having answer actually. Am I right? What is the method name? Count method. Count method actually. Good. The histogram is the graphical representation of quantitative data. Sir, when I say quantitative data, and maybe yesterday onwards, the slowly by slowly the terminology started actually. Listen carefully. This one is a terminology alert actually. Whenever you're talking about the categorical data, Daniel, it is a categorical data. Means, madam, simple. It is a string data. What data? String data. Something like a string value. The next one will be my voice is not up to the mark, sir. I'm sorry. Let me try my best. I'm not well, but let me try. Quantitative data means what exactly? No, team, let me tell you one small thing. Numerical data. Everyone is talking about AI. Either you are, first of all, try to habituate to watch the news actually. Everyone is talking about future is the AI, future is the AI, future is the AI actually. You are learning. So please be focused actually. Learn nicely. Have you seen yesterday? Maybe I have seen one summit, AI summit. Modi ji, our prime minister, he traveled into some other country and he is taking the session about the AI actually. Taking the session in the sense, he is talking about the future of AI. Not only he, Sundar Pichai also, he is talking about AI. These are all, when I'm talking about the Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk, these are all not a jokers actually. They are legends. They can talk about the future actually. Future is a completely AI. So you are in the right direction. Please focus on this. Yeah. Let me ask you a question. Categorical data means? Chappan sir. String data. Quantitative data means numerical data. Numerical data. Make a note on this. Daniel, sometimes I just wanted to count of each value. I just wanted to create a picture. Create a diagram. So how we can create diagram, by using histogram. By using what exactly? Histogram. Histogram is the point of contact, count of each value. Histogram is the graphical representation of quantitative data. So this displays the frequency. What is that? Also called as a count of numerical data bars actually. Chudani, I will take the same data. Now I can apply, you will get an idea. Come on sir, chudani ikkada, you will get an idea. No, let us take this data, Daniel. Yeah, X label, Y label, title. I hope you know this. What is this? I hope you know about this one actually. The next one, any idea what we need to call histo. So here you need to provide the data and a bins equals to 20. This is kind of some distance in between, so in between this one actually, this is kind of some distance. You can just have to play with the 10, 15, 20 like that actually, you will get an idea. Good. Yo, talk with me, sir. Yeah, instead of data, what I need to provide? Values actually. Very good. Make a note on this one. Yeah, we already know. Talk with me, sir. Result and the మనకి 10 ఎన్నిసార్లు వచ్చింది? 4 times. 2 how many times? I'm sorry. 5 how many times? Look at the diagram. Yeah, Daniel, this one is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. This one is a 5. How many times? 2 times. Good. Sometimes I need this representation. 10 how many times? 4 times. First of all, it is applying sorting automatically. What it is applying, sir? Yeah, good. Sorting it is applying 10, 4 times actually. And 50 how many times? Really good, sir. Really very good actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? One more point. To create this diagram, I'm using only single column data. I'm using only single variable. I'm using only single variable. Whenever you are doing the data visualization, whenever you are using the, whenever you are working with the data visualization, hey Daniel, I'm using single column to create a diagram, single column to create a diagram. This is called as a univariate analysis. Cheptara? Univariate analysis. The univariate analysis. Uni in the sense, yeah, exactly. Single column. If you are using two columns actually, if you are using single variable or else a single column to create a diagram. If you are using two columns, if you are using what exactly, sir? Two columns to create a diagram, then that is called as a binary, so binary variant analysis. If you are using more columns, actually, then that is called as a multivariate analysis. What is that one, sir? Multivariant analysis, variant analysis. One small point. This is out of the box actually, but let me talk with you. Sir, I hope you know my name Daniel. Frankly speaking, we have a good network actually, especially from JNTU, kind of some HODs we know very well. Principal we know actually. I am not boasting. I will tell you why I'm telling actually. The next one, Anurag University. What university? Anurag University in Hyderabad actually. Osmani, I have a friend, but I didn't get a chance actually. HODs I know. Deans also. The next one will be recently. Why? How I know? I used to go as a guest lectures in that college actually. I was invited, so by their HODs. Gokaraju Rangaraju College. Gokaraju. Do you know about this? Gokaraju and Rangaraju College. College. Recently I have given on an average 3 months back actually. What is the topic they have given? They given data visualization. What is the topic? They given data visualization. Trust me, we went and we have given session on an average 4-hour session actually. We have given material. They thought they given good feedback actually. So the way how you explain your material, sweet and short, straight to the point actually. Can I help you this material also? Maybe it might be, but this is when the HODs are called and he's asking, hey Daniel, you have to give a session in the sense, I asked her, give me the syllabus. Give me. Why? Because academic syllabus is a different. Am I right or not, sir? Then according to their syllabus, I have created material actually. Can I share that one also? Is it okay for you? Like that I have given session in a Anurag University, JNTU. We know, sir. We have some good network actually. Let me try to access Gokaraju Rangaraju College. What is the college ID? GRIT, I guess actually. Am I right? GR? Okay. GRITA, interview docs, visualization data using. Give me 1 minute. That document helps you. Can somebody help me? Is it over? What is the code? GRIET, I guess actually. Yeah, we are in the right track actually. I have prepared one material. These two are PPT. PPT is not required for you. Here you can find out that binary where, yeah. This one is a specific college material. Maybe this material end of this session you can remind me. I will share with you. All right. And here I have explained data introduction. So what is the data? These are all things I explained. And I explained from scratch. Those are all first year. The beauty will be in universities, they have created a separate syllabus for data science, data visualization, separate course actually, a data analysis separate course, machine learning separate course. They have created actually. That is autonomous, one of the top colleges in Hyderabad. Autonomous college, I guess actually. Yeah, good. Now here is the story. With data visualization, what all things you can do? Imagine if it is a message type actually, you can start comparison. You can compare the values. You can distribute the data. You can break up. You can just try to separate, filter actually. Relationship you can find out. Trends you can find out. Many things you can do. Very nice, man. Very nice actually. Did I explain this one? Make explain chesana. Good. Let me tell you. Netflix is nothing but a data, sir. Netflix is, I hope you already know. Netflix, how much data they do have, click on this link. Netflix company, how much data they do have, I will show you. Meanwhile, so this is according to for their syllabus I have created, not much important, but out of curiosity, I'm sharing with you. Sorry. Good. So there is a one good website. That website name is what is that, Children. Demand says the website name. Here you can find out all social networks, the data flow. Netflix subscribers till 20, very good, up to date actually. Sir, how many subscribers they do have, ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు తెలుసా మీకు యాక్చువల్గా 282, do you think 100 actually? No, million paid subscribers. Not a joke actually. Monthly you have to pay 650, I guess actually. 650. I mean, on an average, paid customers into 650 into 282 means huge business actually. Monthly they are generating. Conclusion of the story, that is nothing but the data. What they done initially, they have created the product. Slowly by slowly, they captured the data. They created the product like a paid version actually. 66 million Netflix subscribers are from US actually. Yeah, good. So Netflix generated almost this much data. Netflix reported income. These are all things actually. Hold on. Wow. Yesterday I have drawn this diagram. What diagram? Bar chart. Especially what exactly? Horizontal. Exactly. Netflix backend it is applying. Hey Daniel, 2011, 2012, 2013. Automatically, what happening, sir? If the years are increasing, business also increasing. What is increasing? Yeah, business. The subscribers are increasing actually. Make a note on this one. Here is the table showing Netflix subscribers count over the years actually. Very good. 2024, 282 and 260 actually. These are all you need to understand. Kindly please walk through, we'll get an idea. Yeah, again bar chart actually. Again, what exactly mean? Bar chart. Thank God. No, we are last. That is okay. Is it okay for you? Netflix having account is not, it is okay. Okay, this is one of the data. Can I share this link with you? Is it okay? Netflix data. Like that, we try to watch. Maybe I have given other data also, other links also. Let's back to the session. This you can remind me. End of this session, I can even upload this one actually. Data visual and social media. Social media, how many people are available? Most popular social media. What is the most popular, sir? Facebook and next one? YouTube actually. YouTube actually. Okay. YouTube is a danger, sir. Trust me, YouTube is very dangerous than alcohol actually. Imagine there is a person, he consume alcohol actually. He consume alcohol. On an average, 1 hour or 2 hours kick actually. Don't ask how you know. Are you with me? But if you started using YouTube actually, 24/7 kick mode actually. 24/7. You will be in the mode like, you are sleeping, you wake up and open YouTube actually. Our state actually, right? Please don't use YouTube more actually. Data visual top chat GPT. Chat GPT having how many sir? 200 million users actually. Very good. This is kind of some, it is called as a donut chart actually. Donut, kind of some pie chart also you can say. Madams are 47% and males are 52% actually. Now like this you can see 100 million users for variant platform. I mean to say, sir, almost Netflix to reach 200 million, almost it has taken how many months, you know? I'm sorry, 200 months it has taken to reach 100 million customers. Come on, listen carefully. Imagine Netflix company, 18 years they spend to reach how many customers? 100 customers. అంటే 100 customers 100 million customers reach అవడానికి 18 సంవత్సరాలు పట్టింది వాళ్ళకి. Then next one, what is this, sir? Spotify. The next one, Twitter, 5 years. The next one, Facebook, 4.5. The next one, Instagram. The next one, this one, TikTok actually. TikTok banned in India, right? Otherwise, it may be next level, I guess, actually. Next one, ChatGPT. What is this one, sir? Instagram? I don't know this actually. We have actually. Yeah, you are very good in social network, I guess. Sorry for getting. Sir, just a matter of 2 days, man. That's not a joke actually. Just a matter of 2 days they deployed. I mean to say that feature they bought, I guess actually. They got a huge customers. I mean to say users, I can say. Yeah, make a note on this, right? This one is a data comparison. You can easy to understand actually. We are good to go. Let's move on. This I will share end of the session. You will understand. Okay. Can you remind me? Why? Because this logo I should delete, but it's okay. So nothing is wrong. Don't share with anyone. Why? Because you know this might be college related material. Now back to our session actually. Online team, are you with me? Ayyo. Online team, I need one response, man. Yeah. Back to the session. I hope I already explained about this one. Now kindly please move on to the next one. Pie chart, sir. What is the next one? Pie chart. The pie chart is kind of some, there is one circle slicing information. Pie chart. I will talk with you. This is very useful. I will try to explain. First of all, why I opened that material, I wanted to give one small clarity. Why this discussion came, why that discussion came, you know. Yeah, regarding this one. Data visualization by number of what exactly? Variables. I mean, if you are using single variable, univariate analysis, also called as a visualization. If you are using two variables, that is called as a bivariate actually. Next one is a multivariate. That's what I remembered this one. It might be helpful for you. Click on this one. Kindly please walk through. You will get an idea. I have separated actually. I have separated these are all. Good. Next one. Daniel, what do you mean by pie chart? So this is a circular plot. This is what exactly, sir? Circular plot that has been divided into slices, displaying the numerical proportion information. If you look at the diagram, this theory you can understand later. Look at the diagram, sir. Look at the diagram. So think like there is a circle and there are three members, Daniel, the next one Prasad, the next one Srinu. These are all having kind of some portion information. And the students, kind of some Daniel, 62% of the data. Prasad, 48% of the marks actually. Srinu, how much actually, sir? We can draw this kind of diagram. We can draw what exactly this kind of diagram. Here we need to use one function. Function name is a pi. What is the function? Points we need to specify. And that one is the first parameter. The next parameter will be my favorite syntax. Keyword argument. Yeah, keyword argument. Labels equals to students. PLT dot access equals to equal. This I can talk later actually. You will get an idea. Let me take this example. Otherwise, let me take a products. Daniel, these are all products. The first one, Samsung. The next one, iPhone. Tell me the third phone, sir. Redmi, REDME, right? MI. Yeah, sorry. Good. Now I mean to say these are all sales. When it comes to Samsung, let me give 90. The next one, iPhone on an average 40 within India. And Redmi, how much, sir? How much? Ento mantaru? Come again? 20. It's okay. Padahara. Somebody said 16 actually. It's okay. Now let us just try to provide products. Labels equals to, oh sorry, sales. Labels equals to products. Now you will get a clear picture actually. Make easy అర్థం అవుతుంది. Anything went wrong? What went wrong చెప్పండి? Products spell mistake. Okay. Good. Straight to the point, it is giving clear picture. Which product more sells? That's it actually. That's it. Sometimes this is called as a raw data, sir. It takes lot of time for comparison. Here our brain, here our brain supposed to work actually. But here only eyes. So eyes and, brain having very quick contact actually. That's what, if you wanted to say something, let me tell you one thing. Visualization really matters. That's what people will apply advertisements. In olden days, not only olden days, they will just try to apply with advertisements. Am I right or not, sir? Like in olden days, Doordarshan, advertisements, it takes lot of efforts to create actually. Efforts. This one is a Samsung more creative. The next one is the iPhone. The next one is a Redmi actually. Good. By default, it will apply colors. But Daniel, I wanted to customize the colors. Is it possible? Possible. That's the next example. That's the next example. Okay. Now, if you want, you can take more. You will get an idea. This length and this length should be matched. Daniel, let us try to apply customization. Right. So let us just try to take a pie and a labels equals to products. It is okay. Get ready to understand. Look at my screen. Wow, this looks good diagram, sir. This one also pie chart, but this one is a more specific actually. This one is what? More specific and customized actually. What exactly we need to do here, Daniel, I wanted to apply colors. Do one thing, sir. Create one small variable name is SC. Okay, cool. Let us just try to create. Yeah, we are creating. And here you need to apply colors equals to C. Different colors I wanted to apply, Daniel. We can do, boss. మనం apply చేయొచ్చు. Let us run the diagram. This is really somewhat good actually. Chappan sir. I need a response. What happened? Are you okay? Yeah, good. The next one. Shadow equals to true. What is the next? Sir, can I say these are all keyword arguments? These are all very, very important. That's what I'm telling. The day one onwards actually. Where is my cursor? Close the diagram. Close the existing diagram. So previously one student asked, where is my cursor? Good. But anyway, you can see somewhere what I can say shadow actually. But if I slice, if I separate each slice, you can see the more shadow. We are going to do that actually. Sir, I mean to say, if you want, let me draw one more time. That's what I'm telling. No logical thinking, sir. As logical thinking led indulo. Just you need to apply the syntax. You need to understand actually. Without shadow, the diagram is like this. Yeah, no shadow actually. With shadow, the diagram is like this. Good. Daniel, apply few more customization. I will apply, sir. Explode equals to kind of some tuple of 3 values we are providing. Why? Because here we have taken 3 products actually. Daniel, what is this? Please hold on, sir. I will cover. Tell me, explode equals to tuple of value number 1. What is the value? 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. Let's run. Let's run. Idenja so telsa. Okay, it is separating, like so slice a kind of some distance in between. Exactly. This one is a 0.05. This one also 0.05. These are all distance actually. Previously, one student asked a question. The question will be, Daniel, do one thing. How much you provided? Sir, I provided 0.05. Provide 0.5. Okay, sir. Let us provide. Let us draw the diagram. Enjoy the diagram actually. What happened? south, east, north. Actually, am I right or not, sir? I'm sorry. If you are providing, I mean, the length will be the big actually. The diagram will goes to all directions actually. So don't provide that. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? You have to play with the diagram actually. ఒక్క తన్నుదంతే అడ్డు పడుతుంది కదా. So something like that. You are hitting with the leg actually. It is moving on. Sorry. Control Z. Then immediately ask, please change it actually. When a student asked, give the different value. Yeah, we are good to go. These are all customization. That's what I'm telling. No limitation. You can provide one. You can provide anything. I wanted to tell one thing with you. So B means blue but not black. B means blue but not. If you wanted to apply black, you can go to the Matplotlib library. You can check the colors. You can apply. There is some code, separate code would have, I guess, actually. Okay. Good. Sir, how many keyword arguments? 4. Important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very important. Keyword argument actually. The next one, auto PCT, kind of some value. But Daniel, I just need, anyway we are getting diagram. Along with the diagram, so I just wanted to display the percentage wise data. Previously we are getting the diagram but no percentage actually, but I wanted to see the percentage. Good man. Make a note on this one. 60% Samsung and Redmi, 13% iPhone. So sometimes comparing with 100% more clarity. We'll get more clarity, madam. We'll get, yeah, make a note on this one. The circle is 360 actually, but out of 100% Samsung more. Even indirectly it is giving guarantee. Feature also more sales. Feature also, yeah, we can think like that actually. First position, second position, third position. Do little practice. You can increase the products actually. You can just try to draw this one. Save this one. One more point. Daniel, can I give a small hint here? This diagram, I mean, this color belongs to Samsung. This color belongs to kind of some Redmi. The next one, this one belongs to iPhone. This me color కనిపించట్లేదా number? Oh, then blue. It's okay. Don't worry, sir. I'm able to say 13.3 actually. If you want, you can change the number. Let me tell you, auto PCT 1.1. I mean to say, along with that value, only 0.1. One decimal I wanted to display along with this symbol. Legend you can apply. What you can apply? Legend. The moment whenever you are applying legend, what happened, sir? This is the last explanation. Good. Chudane. Yeah, very good, man. It is giving kind of some suggestion. Okay, this one belongs to Samsung. Kind of some hint it is giving. It is giving hint actually. Any idea what exactly I have called actually? Chappan sir? Legend. Legend actually. Have you seen Legend movie? Yeah. Creating pie chart and customizing. Up to you. You can apply any number of colors, man. That's it. All right, let me explain the theory. It's a item, you can understand the theory. It is a circular plot. Yes, it is a circular plot, kind of some round circle actually, that has been divided into slices displaying numerical proportion. Sir, can I ask one question? Numerical proportion. Every slice in the pie chart shows the proportion of element of whole data actually. I mean to say, this one belongs to, it is talking about the whole data. This is the separate part. This one is out of all data, separate part, out of all data. Even just now we have drawn the diagram. A large category means it will be occupy large portion of pie chart value actually. Okay. But Daniel, I wanted to know calculation, how it is happening in the back end. Even you run the example, but how? Here Samsung, talk with me sir, what is that? 60%, right? Chappani entadi? But here what value you have given? Ikkada nenu enta value ichchanu actual ga? 90. How this value converted into percentage? Do you want to know that calculation? I have a separate material for you. This is the assignment for you. You need to walk through. మీరు ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎలా జరిగింది. I mean how the calculation happened. Here I have given actual. You need to walk through. Are you with me? Good, good. This I will upload as an assignment with you. I hope I copied, I guess. These are all I have explained, all keyword arguments, labels, colors, blah, blah, blah. Walk through this. The next one, scatter plot. Important, sir. Very, very important. Especially this topic we are using in a machine learning. We are using in very, very important. Let me talk with you. Online team, are you following? Online team, I need one response, man. Meanwhile, I will talk with everybody actually. Now get ready. Good. So online team, please. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me talk with offline team actually. How is practice going on? Doing good, right? Let's start from madam. How many hours you doing practice per day? 1 hour. Good. Madam, you? 2 hours. 3 to? Good. Very 2 to 3 hours. Yeah. Ma'am? 2 hours actually. Yeah. 2 hours. 2 hours. 1 hour. 2 hours. Any studying students? Present ever chadve vallu unnara? Pursuing students? No, I guess. Ma'am, you? Pursuing student? Which year? PG second year. Which branch? Physics actual. Okay, good, good. 3 hours, ma'am. 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay, good. 1.5 hour. 2 hours. 1 hour. You are pursuing student. Good, good. In your free time, you're doing, I guess. I like frankness, sir. Good. In your free time, you're doing actually. Okay. My friend ever undalga raleda. Both are you students. Both are in same college. Okay. Which one? 2 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour. Sir, you are very good practice actually. Very good. You used to ask nice questions. That's what. Out of topic, what happened to KL University? KL University, some news I heard actually. Don't you know? News showed Ramiro. It's okay. You know only data science, I guess. Actually. In sir, ఏమైంది? Okay, okay. Maybe. Yeah, fake NAC grade actually. Yeah, I heard they paid something, but CBI, a kind of the team they caught actually. All right. Are they closing university? No, I guess. But they will take some action. There are some restrictions, I guess. Actually. But KL University is good university. I never thought. I have a few friends actually. Which word is? Good. Back to the session. Online team, I hope you're doing, who are all telling 1 hour, 2 hour practice actually, keep continue. So stand by word. So you promise like, we are doing 1 hour. I believe you. How you are believing me actually. Do the practice at the same time. Daily practice you are doing. 30 minutes do the revision, sir. 30 minutes do the revision. Only 2 topics do revision actually. Python, pandas. Python? By this time Python, pandas over actually. Are you with me? How long time? 30 minutes. Enough actually. Daily ఒక 30 minutes revision చేయండి. Trust me, it helps a lot. It helps a lot actually. మీకు ముందు బాగా help అవుతుంది. Online team, what about you? How you guys are doing practice actually? I wanted to hear from everybody. Let me read the names actually. Naresh, that is admin. Pavita Garu, Srinath, Charan, Josna, Muhammad sir, Khan sir, Harini. Chapane, talk with me. Rishi, how many hours practice you are doing? I no need to ask, but still I am asking because important. 1 to 2 hours, 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 to 3 hours. Jahnavi, very good. Rishi sir, 2 hours per day. Approximately 1 hour. Okay. Doing daily practice, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Okay. All right. One last question. Raise your hand. How many of you only learning data science, not doing any other activity? Raise your hand. Only learning data science. అంటే డేటా సైన్స్ మాత్రమే నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు, ఇంకేం చేయట్లేదు. రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. ఓకే, ఫైన్ దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మోర్ అవర్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మోర్ అవర్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఇంకెక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. ఎందుకంటే యువర్ జాబ్ ఈజ్ టు డూ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ ఓన్లీ. No, Daniel, we are coming for a session 1.5 hours. Before one, I mean, coming to the session half an hour, going to the home half an hour. Why? Because in between some chit chat we do have actually. Almost 2.5 hours. Plus 2 hours means 4.5 hours is the practice actually. Please, if you joined at Narrative only for course purpose, trust me, minimum 5 hours practice important. How long time? 5 hours practice daily. Daily 5 hours practice. ట్రస్ట్ మీ, బూస్ట్ యువర్ లెర్నింగ్. మీ లెర్నింగ్ నాది చాలా బూస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డన్, ఐ హోప్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. నేను ఇంత ముందు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. గో టు ద చాట్ జీపీటీ. గో టు వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సార్? చాట్ జీపీటీ. అండ్ పాండాస్ వీ డన్, రైట్? పాండాస్ వీ డన్. టేక్ ఏ గ్రూప్ బై టాపిక్. వాట్ టాపిక్? గ్రూప్ బై టాపిక్. పాండాస్ గ్రూప్ బై e-commerce example. What example, sir? E-commerce example. You can just try to ask e-commerce domain. I need 25 examples. How many examples? See, straight to the point. If you are more interested, automatically your practice supposed to be extend actually. Practice hours is supposed to be extend. You guys are lucky. You guys are living in the era of ChatGPT actually. When I was learning course in the year of 2011, no ChatGPT, no DeepSeek, sir. No ChatGPT. If we need more example, we need to reach the mentor and we need to ask, Anna, give me some examples. Then that mentor used to give 5 to 10 examples actually. Now you can ask to ChatGPT. Trust me, it will give nice examples actually. Yeah, go 25 examples. Cinema started actually. So it is giving. Hey, I need data also. I need end-to-end example. Hold on. Give. So data, comma, code, end-to-end code. End-to-end, what exactly code? It is giving only logic actually. End-to-end. Yeah, perfect. Now this is the valid example. What is the first one? Sample data set. Creating a data frame. Okay, see. It is customer ID, product ID, category, quantity. Very nice, man. Price per unit actually. Revenue. Rating. It is preparing the data set. The next one, creating the data frame. Any idea what is this? Class actually. Yeah, please. That's what. Class. It is not function. Aggregation. What is this one, sir? Group by. Method. Group by. Like this, first of all, take this data, apply these are all operations. Like this, kindly please walk through. Such a nice examples, man. Such a nice example. Sky is the limit for practice. How it is giving 8, right? You can talk with the chat GPT. How you can ask, boss, చెప్పండి, I asked actually, ఎన్ని అడిగా మనం? 25 examples. But how many you have given? Be serious actually. I mean, if you have given, you can ask a question with the chat GPT. You're right, boss. What it is telling? You're right, boss. I didn't reach 25. Then it will give 1 to 5 sales and revenue. The next examples it will be keep on customer behavior analysis. The 11 to 15 product and category analysis. Did you understand or not, sir? So you can do lot of practice actually. To understand these examples, you have to be good in our material actually. First, you have to be master in our material. Once you understand our material, based on chapter wise, you can ask a questions. Sorting, you can ask a question. Filtering, you can ask a question. Am I right? Date and time, you can ask a question. Up to you. No limit actually. If you are spending like this, try to use ChatGPT daily, minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Minimum. Slowly by slowly, our way of thinking skills will be increased automatically. Use ChatGPT, get the example, understand the example, do the practice. That's the best practice. Sir, just to blindly copy paste and getting output actually going outside for coffee, waste of the time. First of all, get the example, just try to understand, do the practice, see the output, then that is the best practice. That is what exactly, sir? Meeku ardhamainda? Okay. One day, how I asked to the ChatGPT, I asked around some 100 plus examples. How many? Trust me, it has given. It has given 25. Stopped actually. I asked 100. It started with 26 to 50. It is again started with 51 to, like that you can ask n number of scenario. That too, 3 levels of examples you can ask. 3 levels. Beginner level you can ask, intermediate level you can ask, advanced level you can ask. I need a group by beginner example, you can ask. That to ask domain based example. What example? Right. Till now I have explained about e-commerce domain, right? Let me just try to ask, hey, I need 10 banking domain example. 10 what domain? Banking domain examples. Based on group by. Based on? Chappan sir, idu antunnaru. With the data. Yeah, maybe it will give the data. I guess, once if you ask, it can remember actually. Very good. So here it is giving actually like this. Yeah, here is the data is giving, it is applying actually. So I'm stopping this explanation. Conclusion of the story, please man, do more and more practice. Utilize existing resources. Utilize existing resources. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Online team, I need a response. Trust me, we done, these are all examples. But here the data is a different actually. You should taste that one also. Banking domain, e-commerce domain, healthcare domain, మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి యాక్చువల్గా. మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. అర్థమైందా సార్? Online team, thank you for your kind effort and keep continue your practice. It will be helpful for you. I have seen recently joined Genpact sir, so really hard, but it is trying actually. Said sir, very good, and working and learning I know. Maybe Karthik sir, weekly around 10 hours. Okay, good. I can say on an average 2.5 hours like that. 2 hours actually. Sir, if you do revision every day and we get a doubts, then the running session will be can ask the doubts actually. Jyoti boss, we can ask actually. You can ask. But let me tell you, when you're doing, sir, one point, revision literally helps. Revision is very, very important. Revision very, very important. If you are not doing revision, only practice actually, I'm sorry, it is again waste actually. Best example, when you join for LKG, the teacher, she used to always explain previous things what happened, then she wished to revise and then later she can move on actually. Avuna kada sir? Good. Always do alphabets practice. ABCD lu meer ela prepare avvalo alage subject kora prepare avvali. Back to the session, I'm sorry. Out of the topic. Good. What is the next topic sir? Cheppandi. Scatter plot. Scatter plot. Let me tell you how much important it is, this is very, very important. It's very important topic actually. Make a note on this. Daniel, by using scatter plot, what we can do, by using scatter plot, we can find the relationship. Talk with me, sir. Relationship. One more time. Between the variables. Between what exactly? Variables. Now here is the question. What do you mean by relationship? What do you mean? What do you mean by relationship? Relationship. I will talk with you. Hold on. So let me take one best example. Let us take a data. Let us take what exactly? Data. Good. And here area. The next one will be rice packs. Did you remember? Recently I have got one example. First one is the area. Next one is a rice packs. Now I can say the area will be 1 acre. And think like there is one farmer, he has a 1 acre and 10 rice packets he is getting. 2 acres, 20. 3 acres, 30. 4 acres, 40. Good. Let me tell you. If you are a pandas developer, if you apply pandas actually, you can think like this one is what exactly, a PD guy. PD in the sense, pandas guy, pandas developer. He can think like first one is a column number 1, second one is a column number 2. Okay. But let me tell you, being a pandas developer, what he can apply actually, he can access the first column, second column, on average, he can take this column, he can apply minimum value, maximum value, sum he can apply. Maximum on an average, he can apply kind of some method, head method he can apply, shape attribute he can apply, these are all things actually. But being a ML engineer, what ML guy will, either ML engineer or math person, what that guy will do, he will take the data, he will try to understand this column and this column having the relationship. This column and this column having Hey Daniel, what do you mean by that relationship actually? What do you mean by relationship, Please make a note actually. Team, if area is increasing, imagine area. The first value is the 1. Second value is the 2. Third value is the 3. Fourth value is the 4. If area is increasing, automatically what happen, sir? Rice packs also increasing. That is called as a relationship. The first value is the 10. Respectively, what is the last value? 40. I'm pretty sure you understand actually. This you can identify by using scatter plot. Scatter plot ni use chesi మనం వీటిని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. Conclusion of the story, if you are having two columns of the data, if you wanted to find out the relationship is in the sense, if first column is increasing, talk with me, if first column is increasing, automatically second column also increasing. If first column is decreasing, automatically second column also decreasing actually. That is called as a relationship. That is called as a relationship actually. Relationship. Okay. Like in a biological, normal ga cheppali ante, person and person having kind of some relationship. I mean to say brother, sister, mother, these are all actually. Yeah. Imagine, myself is the Daniel. My brother name is a Prasad. What is the relationship? The relationship is a strong actually. What is the relationship? Strong. Let me take a Daniel and let us just try to take a Raju. So my friend. So let me tell you, this one is my brother. This is my friend actually. Yes, would you have a relationship? What kind of relationship? A kind of some okay relation. Sorry, Raju, friend, right? Yeah, okay relationship. That's it. High to high. Not strong actually. Let me take a Daniel. Unknown person. What person? Unknown. I don't know the person name. Then first of all, I don't know actually. I don't know. Then what relationship, sir? No relationship. I hope you got a connection actually. Conclusion of the story. How person to person they do have a relationship. Same thing like that, column to column they do have a relationship actually. How strong relationship, Imagine if anyone scolded my brother, I will beat him actually. That's called as a strong relation. Did you understand or sir? Yeah. Let me tell you, his friend. If he's saying hi, okay relation. What relation? I can say here 100% relation. Talk with me here. What exactly, sir? 50% relation. And unknown person, at least I have some emotions. I can, if he needs some help actually, I can help you. But 5% relation, that's it. If he needs some water, some help, being a, but it is not strong relation. Make ardam sir. Like a humans, how would have a relation in between one person to another person? Column to column also would have a relation. That relationship you can draw by using scatter plot. That relationship you can draw by using. Nice. This is the data number 1. Let me take data number 2. Data number 2. Can I write here so that it will be helpful for you? Here, if area is increasing, Chapan sir, if area is increasing, then rice packs also. The next one. Next one, if area is decreasing, then tell me, rice packs also decreasing. Conclusion of the story, if you touch one column, other column is responding. Good. This is called as a relationship. This is called as దీని మనం relationship అంటాం. Both columns having relationship each other. Okay. Now if you want, let me take one more data. ఇంకొక డేటా తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి, మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. Yeah, you will get an idea. Here also, sorry. Column number 1, experience. Let me show you what is not a relationship. What is a relationship? What is not a relationship? I will tell you. Data number 2. This one is the area. This one is rice packets. Third column also came in between. The third column name is a name, a farmer name actually. What is the third column name, sir? Farmer name. Imagine the farmer, first farmer name is A, second farmer name B, third farmer name C, next farmer name D. I have a question for you. What is the person A having how much? 1 acre. How much actually, sir? 10. Do you think overall A name, they should have a 1 acre? They should get 10 rice packets actually. Conclusion of the story, area and rice packets having relationship, but talk with me, name and rice packets having no relationship. Adi meeku ardham kavali. When you think like this one is a data frame, there are 3 columns. First column and third column having strong relation, but the second column and other columns having no relation at all. Asal relationship ledannamata. That's called, you need to understand what is a relation, what is not a relation actually. Very good. Here area and rice packs having relation, vice versa. And చెప్పండి sir, name and rice packs columns having no relation, sir. No relation actually. Let me take one more data, then we can move on actually. Data number 3. Data number 3. What is the data number 3? You know, experience and salary. Now 1 year of experience, $10K. Always you can compare your salary with the dollars actually. చెప్తారా? What is the next one? 2 years of experience, 20K. The next one, 3 years of experience, 30K. Now what is happening? If experience is increasing, then automatically, exactly, right? Once your age is increasing, till at certain level, your height also will increase, having relationship, right? If you study more hour, you will get a good marks actually. Study hour and getting marks having, yeah, nice relationship actually, right? But we never study. That's the beauty actually. Back to, let me stop my overaction, I will explain. In scatter plot, each value in the data set is represented by dot. Okay, we are going to draw a diagram, and here I am talking with you like, you know, scatter plot we are going to draw, and here it is representing with the dot symbol. By using this plot, we can understand the relationship in between two variables. Okay, see, area and rice packets, 110, 220 respectively 550, sir. Any idea what is this? What is this one? Scatter. Shouldn't actually, scatter plot, it is representing with the dot actually. It is representing with what exactly? Dot. The data is scattered actually. You know, go to the farmer village actually. They can scatter the seeds. Seeds scatter, yes sir. Scatter ante జల్లడం విత్తడం ఇవన్నీ అంటాం మనం యాక్చువల్లీ. చూడండి ఇక్కడ, it is literally, it will be helpful actually. So this is the, frankly speaking, by looking at this one, you can easy to understand. Data is traveling from downwards direction to, yeah, you can easy to understand. Data is traveling. One more point. On an average, how many data points would you have? మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని data points ఉన్నాయి? 5. What you don't know also we can get actually. అంటే మనకు తెలియని డేటా పాయింట్స్ ని కూడా మనం తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా? సింపుల్. 1.5, how much actually చెప్పండి? 15. Very good. 1.5 acre ఉందనుకుందాం, somebody having. How many actually? 15. Think like, you know, 2.5, 2 acres, you know, 2.5 acres actually. How much rice packets is going to get? That is really good, sir. Indirectly, the scatter plot is helping not only 5 data point, Daniel, you can talk with other data points also. You can talk with. I don't have a other data. I have only in my hand only 5 data points actually. But it is talking more and more. 1.5, 1.7, 1.6, 1.9. అర్థమైందా sir? And let me tell you, even indirectly it is giving guarantee. No doubt at all. If area x-axis value is increasing, automatically y-axis value also. Make a note on this one. You will get an idea. Let me draw the diagram. Please sir, you have to do practice. Madam, daily do practice actually. Revision also you have to do. only practice helps you to get a job. Subject matters. Yeah, that is called as a linear regression, sir. One of our teammate is talking with us. Piyush, line diagram is better for relationship judgment. Yeah, that is called as a linear regression. During machine learning, I will talk with everyone actually. Piyush Garu, who can see later. Okay, let me just try to create this one. Scatter. I have one small question. What is the scatter here? Any idea? Function. And here x-axis, the next one is a y-axis. We are good to go. Imagine show I am not writing. What happened? No diagram. So simple. If you are not calling show, then show will not show actually. Student, Control Z. Now let's start the cinema. Very good, man. Very good. You will understand. See, one acre on x-axis I have taken area, y-axis I have taken rice packets. 110, 220, 330. Very good. You understand. You completely understand actually. Sir, that means would non-linear would be mean something like quadratic graph actually. Rishi sir, very good. This is called as a polynomial regression. We can talk later. If no relationship, so it's called as a quadratic actually. We can talk during machine learning. Polynomial actually. Creating a scatter plot. Sir, మీ పేరేంటి? నిన్న you told something I didn't upload yesterday. 15th running nodes, 50 na 58 58 am I right? Upload చేయలేదా? One of అవునా? We'll do one thing. Online team, hold on. I came across one of our student. He's telling, Arey Daniel, there is a one issue with one file actually. Let me show you that. I need your help, sir. Now, చెప్పండి 50 running nodes. 58 అండి. చూద్దాం ఆగండి. 50 ఇది కదా? I can just have to click on this one. Oh, seriously? It should be open running nodes, right? $57, $58. It's okay, sir. You are getting, I guess. You can just have to use this left and right arrows actually. Okay. Yeah. Maybe it was maybe bug actually. I'm clicking on this one, but Daniel is opening actually. Maybe high priority. If I click on 21, is it 21 is opening? No. But here is the issue. Good. Can I continue? Yeah. Any issues like this, do let me know. Why? Because I may forget for any. Today, let me upload all running nodes in one zip file. Is it okay for you? Let me. If I miss anything, you can try to catch there actually. Yeah, we have created successfully scatter plot. One point you need to remember, sir. Scatter plot means finding the relationship between two variables. Between? That's it. Move to the next one. The difference between running nodes is that I have downloaded it till yesterday actually. Please, sir, thank you. Sir, private question, but I like this question. That's what I brought to public actually. It is okay. What is the difference between relation and correlation? Great question. The answer will be, we'll discuss during math actually. During maths. Let me show you the material. What is that one? Relation and correlation. We have a separate material. Open Daniel and material. We have separate material. The answer will be, where is that? Regression. Relationship and correlation. Correlation somewhere here you can see. ikkada కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు లేదా here variance and 5 number summary, symmetric and skewness. Let's open the material. R value. Please bear with me. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Look at my screen. Here you can find correlation. I'm sorry. Correlation. Here I will explain. Who asked a question? Here I will cover, sir. Cool, cool. We have a separate material. Who are all not from non-math background actually, trust me, our math material literally it helps a lot. Very nice material. If you want, let me just try to open one material. Here it will be, I can explain math like a fun actually. You can see more colorful diagrams. More colorful diagrams. Straight to the point you will understand. This is my picture actually. Did you understand, sir? I will explain, right? So you will understand. Math is very simple. Trust me, after my math explanation, math will become your favorite topic actually. So make a note on this one. Okay? Yeah, good. Till now, how is the material, sir? Trust me, till to the last today, you can feel the same thing. Our material will talk with you. Material will talk with you actually. I got this feedback not only from you, many of other students. Our material helping you a lot for the revision. For what exactly? Revision actually. Indirectly, I am finishing my session. The students are going to the home. When they open the material, they are able to recall the subject actually. That is really beautiful. Really beautiful actually. Okay. Make a note on this one. Many students said actually this point. Daniel, material helps a lot actually. Any other online team? Let me pick your points actually. Good evening, sir. Can you please add me in Google Classroom? Renuka ma'am. Okay, let me include actually. Mass, let's close this. Let's close this. Let's even close this. Sorry, man. I have one question for you. Till now, you are not available in Google Classroom. Renuka boss. What might be the reason? I would like to know. Can just try to come here. Perfect. I have given an access, cross verify. All right, the next topic will be 9 AM Google Classroom, sir. Okay, back to the session. What is the next topic, sir? Box plot. What is the topic name? Box plot, actually. Make a note on this one. Box plot, heat map. These are all upcoming topics, sir. Anyway, math material I have opened, right? After math, you will understand. Box plot, the next one will be heat map also. After math, I will talk with you. Heat map also. Good. The last two topics during math I will cover. Heat map. During maths, so we will learn. I will cover. Why? Because so here especially, if you wanted to understand about the math, actually there are some topics are interlinked. The first one you need to understand 5-number summary. What is the first one? 5-number summary. Did you remember? During the describe method in pandas, I told the last minimum value, maximum value, 25 quartile, 50 quartile, 30 quartile, 75. That is called as a 5-number summary. Box plot and that topic having the relationship. The next one is also called as a outliers actually. There are a lot of topics I will cover during math actually. During maths. If you want 1 minute, you can spend with me. You can look at my screen. Five-number summary. Exactly. Here somewhere you can see box plot. What is the topic name? Box plot. Here you will understand. Why? Because without math, if you have seen, I'm sorry, you cannot understand. మీకేం అర్థం కాదు. I know well which topic at what time I need to cover. Don't worry actually. With my explanation, the good thing will be we done with what exactly, sir? Part number 1. So let's quickly open part number 2. Part number 2. I can take in another few minutes, then I can leave actually. Yeah, let's move on. Sir, in part number 2, we are doing kind of some advanced level visualization. Please make a note actually. In part number 1, we installed a library. Library name is called as a, madam, tell me, matplotlib. Now here, to work with this part number 2, I mean, total part 1 and part 2 same topic, but intentionally I like divide and conquer. So what I done, part 1 I have taken separate visualization, part 2 a kind of some separate topics actually. Here we are working with more separate library. Library name is called as a Seaborn. What is the library name? Seaborn actually. Ready to understand. Now here you will get an idea actually. What is that one? Titanic introduction. What introduction? Titanic introduction. Daniel, what is the difference? Titanic means Titanic ship. Titanic means Titanic ship. Now you will get an idea. Daniel, what is the relation between data visualization and Titanic? Here I need to cover one small point actually. The point will be, you need to understand about, in data science, we do have a public data sets. What data sets, man? Public data sets. What is a public data set? Minimum some 15-minute story actually. What is public data set? Public data set. Why these came actually? Why these came in data science project? Where we are using? The next one, where we are using? Maybe I will continue tomorrow. Why? Because if I start now, I'm sorry. So I don't want to stop in between actually. Where we are using, we'll get an idea. So this will start tomorrow. I will continue tomorrow, please. I'm sorry. So why? Because if I start, I cannot stop in between. All right, we done today's session. So let me know what all things I need to upload, Chapandi. Sure. Thank you for a reminder, sir. Then get that material. This is according to the syllabus oriented. Not all topics are important for you. Any topics make important kaadu, but you try to walk through that. You will get an idea. According to that college syllabus, autonomous college actually. Thank you. Start, let you go. I take care about how to upload the material. Knock the door, sir. Door కొట్టండి actually. Oh. ఏంటండి? Images. Okay. First maths అండి. First maths actually. ఓకే. అవునా? విత్ అంటే ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? మేబీ యాక్చువల్ ఓకే. మేబీ మనం ఏ పడితే ఆ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వకూడదు అనుకుంటాను. ఒకసారి క్రాస్ ఓకే. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ గెట్. అకార్డింగ్ టు ద మెటీరియల్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి నాకు అంటే ఎర్రర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి ఒకసారి మనం చూపించారంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి మోర్ క్లారిటీ ఫర్ అస్. అవునా? కొలాబ్‌లో రన్ చేసినా రావాలి సార్. ఒకరోజు నేను కొలాబ్‌లో కూడా రన్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను. మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తది. హ్మ్. హ్మ్. కీప్ కంటిన్యూ. ప్రాక్టీస్ కీప్ కంటిన్యూ. యాహ్! sure. This document is optional to read actually. Okay, fine. Total zip file I will upload tomorrow, sir. Rep upload, yes.